Hey guys, it's Sheena with Land Pro Equipment, and in this video we're going to answer the question, what is the difference between gas and battery engines? Here we go. This machine here is a gas engine. You're going to have your traditional maintenance schedule. You're going to have fuel you have to put in this, fuel filters to change, oil in the engine, oil filters to change, and air filters. From the power of this machine, this engine, it's going to be a belt drive to the deck. You're going to have longer mow times and straight fuel power. In the John Deere line, we also have a battery-powered zero turn. None of our riding lawnmowers are battery operated. But when you're talking about a battery-powered machine, there is no engine oil. There is no engine fuel filters. There's no fuel to put in this. It's simply battery-powered. Does that mean you're going to be able to mow as long? Well, it depends on which machine you get. With a residential machine, a little bit lower mow times for those smaller acreage, but there are commercial mowers that can mow acres on a single charge. When we're talking about battery powered, you're talking little mini engines that are on the components that make the machine move. There's a mini engine on the inside of both tires, allowing this machine to go forward, reverse, or even do what we call that zero turn, where one tire turns forward and one tire turns in reverse at the same time. And there's going to be a mini engine on top of each spindle on your mower deck. So if you have a 42-inch mower deck with two spindles, you're going to have two engines on your deck. And if you have a 48-inch option or a 54, you're going to have three. Those are the biggest differences between a gas-powered and a battery-powered zero turn. When you're ready to come in for a test drive, head on down to your local Land Pro store. You can also check us out online at www.landproequipment.com. For more tips and tricks, check out Sheena's Green Garage on our YouTube channel.